initial sound in lollipop. Cross out the final sound in black. Cross off the vowel sound in bug. Cross off the initial sound in film. Cross off the final sound in jump. Cross off the vowel sound in pet. Cross off the initial sound in balloon. Cross off the final sound in wand. And cross off the vowel sound in tag. Turn your sheets over.
Why?
Be kind, please. Number 1. Please spell the word that. That. I want that toy. That. Listen. That. Number 2. With. With. I want to go with my mom shopping. With. Number 3. Thick. Thick. The batter that I was stirring was very thick. Listen. Thick. Thick. Because you can't see it when I say it. It's hard when you can't see. Number 4 goes over here this time, not down. Number 4, please spell the word, sight word, from. From. Number 5, please spell sight word, have. Have. I want to have 2 bowls of ice cream. Have.
I had ice cream yesterday. I can't have that.
And number 6. Into. Remember what my trick is. Into. I went into the garage to get the car. Into. Okay, boys and girls, how do you spell them? Review word. Red pencils out. Oh, I do not need the talkie. That. T-H. But it's the V that has the voice T-H. That. Number 2. With. And number 3. Thick. CK at the end because the I is before the CK. The short vowel before it. Okay, then your sight words. From is not a U, guys. It is an O.
An O?
Yes.
That's my
Number 5. Have. Have has an E at the end. I know that the E usually makes the vowel say its name, but in this case, it's not. It's a silent E. Yep. And then the last one, into. Remember, in and to. Okay. Now, it's time to learn something new. Are you ready? Echo these words and listen to the sound in the initial position. Ship.
Ship.
Shut.
Shut.
Shack.
Shack.
What sound do you hear in the initial position of all those words, everyone? Look at these words and see what's making that sound. Okay, what is making the sh sound, boys and girls? making one sound. So yes, it is a digraph. What kind of digraph? Vowel or consonant? Everyone? Consonant, because those two letters are consonants. Okay. Do you see any other digraphs in any of these words?
Yes.
Yes. What other one do you see? CK. How do we code digraphs, boys and girls?
Underline.
Underline them. So we will
Underline
SH and underline
CK.
And what do I do to
Cross out the
C?
C.
Cross out the C. Okay, and then what do we also do when we are coding?
Put a breathe on the I.
Breathe on the I.
Breathe on the U. Breathe on the A.
Thank you. Read this word.
Shit.
It. Shit. Sound them out. Shut.
Shack. What is shack?
It is a old rundown house that like people wouldn't want to live in.
Yeah.
If someone lives in a shack, it's
Bacon.
like an old rundown house that you wouldn't want to live in. 'Cause it's kind of like
Bacon.
broken and vacant. Yes.
They can try me fixing it and put some stuff in it if they can just hang over in that house room sometimes.
Okay. Put your hand to your throat, boys and girls, and say, is this sound voiced or not voiced?
Not before.
Not voiced. You don't hear it, you don't feel it vibrate, do you, when you say it? Okay. Okay, number 7. What is the sound that we have, are the letters that make the sh sound, boys and girls? Okay, so the new sound that we have learned is SH. Okay, SH. Write that down on number 7. Yes, number 7. Okay, number 8. We're going to practice these. Okay? Stop. That's an outside thing. Okay, we did the SH sounds for our new sound. Okay. Now, number 8. Write the word shop. I like to go shop with my mom. Shop. Write it on number 8. Shop. Shop. Okay, we're not having any stories right now, okay? Put your hands down. Number 9. Wish. I wish a wish on the stars. Or I make a wish when I blow out my candles. How's that?
Okay.
And number 10. Fresh. I like fresh fruit, not canned fruit. Okay. Boys and girls, how do you spell those? Shop. S-H-O-P. Number 9. Wish. W-I-S-H. Number 10. Fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Okay. Put those on the homework side of each of your folders. Let's code it. What are we going to do here? Liam, what's the first thing? VCCV. What's the next thing? Clara? Divide the 2 consonants. Then what, Grayson? Accent mark. Then what, Vivian? Code the vowels, and both vowels are followed by a consonant, so therefore these should be breathes. Okay. Anything else on this one? Payback on the C. Okay, now do this word. What is that word then? Cat. It. Nip. Catnip. Catnip. That's what they eat. Catnip.
It's cat food.
Catnip.
It's cat food. Cat food.
Cat food. That's what it's called. Catnip is cat food. this? Macron on the E. And
Accent mark.
oh, you need a snapshot. Accent mark. Okay, and last one. Oh, well, actually, let's say this one.
Me.
Me. That is a long vowel. Okay, Hudson, what's the first thing on this one? Underline CK. What's another thing, Nicholas?
Cross out the C.
What's another thing, Emma?
Breathe on the I.
Breathe on the I. And what else? Last thing, everyone?
Underline the TH.
Underline the TH. Okay, let's go to your worksheets and I will hand them out to you. On your papers, you are going to code 1 through 6, and then you will match when you read all these words, and you need to read them. Then you can match them, okay? Then, look at the sentences below 6. These right here. This is like a little story. You're going to read these sentences, okay? Actually, who can read them? Ellie, read them. Okay. Now, number 7. Everybody read it. The pig had a blank sash. Write the missing word in that blank. There is a missing word. Write that word in the blank. What's the blank? What did it say in that story?
Had a fin.
A what?
Fin.
Fin. You need to write fin right here. Fin. Okay, number 8.
I don't have fin on there.
Yeah, it was in here. The pig had a thin sash. The pig had a blank sash. What kind of sash? Fin.
Fin.
So you write this word here. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, hold on. Okay, look by the sentence at the sentence by number 8. Who can read this question? Liam.
What was in the sash?
What was in the sash, boys and girls?
Pin.
Black stick pin. Fill in that bubble.
What's a pin?
Like a pin that you when you like put like a flower on your shirt or something, or
Oh, you kind of have to dress clip.
yep.
And a tie clip.
Okay,
What's a sash?
I'll show you a picture of one in here in a little bit. Okay. All right. Who had a thin sash? Pig, pin, or stick?
Pig.
Pig.
You been talking about
And read the last one.
What can stick?
Can the pig stick, the pin stick, or the sash stick?
Pin.
A pin would stick. Okay. You guys will code these and I will check them. You have to do the same thing over here. You're coding, you're reading the little story, you're answering questions on it. Got it? Okay, you may start. Okay, I will show you a picture of a sash. Go ahead and